Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are absolutely fine. Today I made the banana walnut bread, and it is a very simple recipe, and I would like to share that with you. So let's get started. To make the banana walnut bread, we need 1 cup sugar, 1 stick of unsalted butter, which is at the room temperature, 2 eggs, 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. Then we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and half teaspoon of salt, and some vanilla essence. I have 1 cup of walnut which I have toasted, and some raisins, and of course we need bananas. These are overripe bananas. We need 3. 2 bananas I will mix in the batter, and 1 banana I need to chop. So the first step is to cream the sugar and butter. So I take the sugar. And this is butter. So as this sugar and butter is getting creamed, we will work with the dry ingredients, and that is our flour and salt and baking powder and baking soda. We'll sieve this together. Now I have mashed the bananas, and we will add this. And now we will add 2 eggs. These are at the room temperature. I am also going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and going to add this flour in batches. So our batter is ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fold in the chopped banana and walnut and the raisins. Fold in some bananas and walnuts and raisins, and then we'll mix it. Just fold this dry fruits, and then I will pour this in this loaf pan, and I have already put the parchment paper. You have to preheat the oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So I have put this in our oven, and it takes about an hour or so for this bread to get baked. So let's wait. Our banana walnut bread is ready. It took about an hour to bake this bread. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the cooling rack and allow it to cool for a few minutes.